Well, good morning everybody. It's Sunday the 7th. We've skipped today since the last video where everything went a bit wrong, and running down the freeway I ended up being pretty poorly. Heat exhaustion, I think. I started shivering and really uncontrollably and felt really bad. So I got a hotel and pretty much slept for the whole of yesterday. Feel a little bit better today, a bit tender, but enough to carry on. So leaving the town of St. Esteban to go up the Via Verde del Bidesoa, which will take me to Irun, the start of Camino del Norte. It's not an official Camino route, but it is a direct link if you go the right way, that is, and not do what I did on the last video. It's a direct link from the Camino del Baztan to the Camino del Norte. So who knows, at some future point maybe it will become part of the Camino map. But let's show you the sights of this one and make our way to Irun. Tunnel. You aren't you tiny? Hola. You know what? There are even fountains on this route. What's this sign? Bidesoa. It's tempting, but I've already had a shower this morning. But it would be beautiful to try and go and stand in this. Well, I found somewhere to stay. There are no albergues. I found a kind of a truck stop hotel, but it's somewhere to sleep. The problem is that they have no food available and there is nothing within a 45-minute walk to get food or anything. So my choices are to just have absolutely nothing tonight and focus on editing some video. Or what I'm actually going to do, I've got my coat on ready, I'm going to try and get a lift into the nearest town, get some food and then walk back. I'm here for walking anyway, it's no big deal, is it? So let's see if the Camino provides again and I get some food tonight. Well, I found a nice local bar. Let's see what kind of food I get. Good morning, it's Monday the 8th of May and sorry there's a bit of road noise going on here, just the other side of the river. We've got the main freeway again. So, very much looking forward to Del Norte, even though it's been really nice to have some time, some solitude. It'll be good to see some peregrinos again and be part of a Camino once more. I'm going to be on the Del Norte for about 2 weeks, so I'll probably be able to make some lasting friendships in that time. Of course, in 2 weeks I'm going to be stepping off the Norte to do another 4 different Camino routes, so let's see what today's got to offer. Well, that was crazily dark. I had the light on my watch and on my phone there, and I could still, it's worse than a dark room. I could barely see in front of me, even with the lights on. One huge difference upon entering Saint-Jean-Pied-de-Port, there are backpacks everywhere. Here in Irun, I've not seen a single backpack yet. So right in the middle of Irun there's a big open area with a bandstand. If we turn around, you can still see the big open area. The Correos is behind this big bit here, so if you just go over to the crossings there, and it's directly behind, there's a row of restaurants, sushi bar, that sort of thing. You can actually go straight through the middle if you look carefully. There, you'll see it there. So, bandstand behind me, straight underneath there, Correos.